According to TVC News on September 29, 2025, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC chairman, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, has been ordered to be arrested by a federal high court in Osogbo for contempt of court. The same man who oversees elections across the country is now facing possible arrest if he fails to obey a court order. The case began with the Action Alliance, a political party divided by internal disputes. A faction under Adekunle Rufai Omoaje held a convention in Abeokuta at the Obasanjo Library. INEC officials were present to monitor the event. Justice Funmilola Demi-Ajayi ruled that the convention was valid and that all state chairmen elected from Omoaje's camp should be officially recognized. However, INEC ignored the ruling. Because of that, Action Alliance went back to court and filed legal motions asking the judge to enforce compliance. Justice Demi-Ajayi responded firmly. She fined Mahmoud Yakubu 100,000 naira and gave him 7 days to restore the names of the recognized state chairmen on INEC's portal. If he fails to comply, the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Agbetukun, has been directed to arrest him. This development adds to the controversies already surrounding Yakubu. After the 2023 general elections, many Nigerians criticized INEC's handling of the process, especially issues relating to BVAS and IREV. Now, instead of preparing for retirement on November 8, 2025, Yakubu is dealing with the possibility of arrest. Reports suggest that President Tinubu is already considering Professor Joash Amupitan, SAN, since 2014 as a potential replacement for the INEC chairman. This situation is a reminder that court orders are not suggestions, they must be obeyed. If even the head of INEC fails to respect the law, it raises serious questions about public trust in Nigeria's elections. As always, Nigerian politics continues to unfold like a drama, with new twists appearing almost every week. This court case is not only about the Action Alliance party. It raises a bigger question. If the INEC chairman himself cannot respect a court order, what should ordinary citizens do? According to a report by legit.ng October 2025, Justice Demi-Ajayi made it clear that the law does not respect positions or titles. Whether you are a professor or the head of an institution, once a court has ruled, you must obey. Yakubu has only 7 days to act. By next week, Nigerians will know if he is a man who respects the law or one who defies it. If he obeys, the case ends and he continues until his retirement in November. But if he resists, the police will step in. Imagine the Inspector General ordering the arrest of the INEC chairman. That would be global news. BBC, CNN, and Al Jazeera would headline it. Nigeria's electoral chief jailed for contempt. There is also the political angle. Reports suggest that President Tinubu is already considering Professor Joash Amupitan, SAN, since 2014 as a potential replacement for Yakubu. Even before Yakubu leaves, another name is already circulating. That is how politics works. The moment you appear weak, people are ready to take your place. But Nigerians must pay attention to the deeper issue. If Yakubu fails to respect the court, it damages trust in INEC itself. This is the same institution that will conduct the 2027 elections. How can Nigerians trust the result if the chairman himself is seen as disobeying the law? Once credibility is lost, the entire electoral process is at risk. The Action Alliance party also deserves attention. Many dismiss them as a small party, but this case shows the power of the law. With the court on their side, they have managed to challenge the biggest electoral body in the country and even put its chairman under pressure. In the end, this is a reminder for everyone. In Nigeria, power may look strong, but the law is stronger. The law does not choose sides, no matter your title, professor, chairman, or president. Once a judge has ruled, your only options are to obey or face the consequences.